And now in slow motion we show a bull elk charging a car. Really cool. Watch this. These elk can run really fast. It's running full tilt. As this bull elk comes to a sudden stop, watch it kick up a pile of dust into the air. Amazing. As you can see, during the rut, these bull elk can be pretty aggressive and dangerous. Now in slow motion, watch this woman run for her life. What we didn't get on film, some guy actually fell on the middle of the road running away from this bull elk. Fortunately, nobody was hurt running away from this bull elk, but it gave everybody quite a scare watching this scene. Now again in slow motion, you can really see this elk means business. It wants to be left alone with its harem. Super cool. Now you know why the park wants you to keep your distance from the wildlife. Now again I'll show some footage of this pissed elk trying to tell people to stay away from it and its harem.